Hello everyone, this is a showcase of my new Chrome extension called Time to Do Things. I was inspired by one of my TAs. During one of our courses, he actually listed out how long it should take for every assignment per week. And he had the hours, for example, like in week one, the assignment took him around 4 hours, and then the assignment for week two took around 6 hours, etc. And I kind of wanted to do something similar to that, but I wanted like a to-do list that did it for me. Like I would have tasks, and then I could toggle whether to track the time it took to do that task and whether to turn it off. And I was searching online for things like that. So time tracker to-do list. And a lot of them, either you need to integrate a time tracker into something like Todoist, which costs money. So this one costs money, or it was just way too complicated. Something like Time Camp. First of all, it did cost money. There's a free version, but it was a little too complicated for me. Like um, a lot of it required you to, or a lot of it was about tracking your time to bill for like freelancers and contractors and stuff like that. So I kind of wanted to create a simple one where it would just track your time, and that was pretty much it. There was no other strings attached. So here it is. It's called Time to Do Things. Um, so so you can create a new list here called Add New List, and let's call this list Showcase. And then in this list, you can just add a bunch of things. So let's say that I want to do assignment one, assignment two, and assignment three. Let's just say those are 3 weeks. And maybe this list is not showcase. Maybe this list could be like um, 5930 or something like that as one of my courses. And then when you're working on assignment two, you're going to click this time hourglass. And then let's say you're doing a bunch of work here, and then you go back. And then let's say that you're done for the day, so you're going to go to sleep, you stop tracking the time, and it'll have the time right there. And at the very end, when you press this, it'll say the completed. And then when you want to delete the list, you just press delete list, and that'll delete the list. And then I have a dedicated today default list. And for the dedicated today list, it kind of just shows what I want to get finished this day. And it'll when I press done for the day, it'll get rid of all of my completed tasks, and it'll say like, oh, this is your summary for the day. And it's kind of like a good reminder or a good way for me to see what I actually did for the day and how much time it took for me to do the day. Uh, like let's say I did, like, I was on my computer for like 10 hours straight, and but I actually look at my total time and it's only 2 hours. So it kind of tracks more of my productivity and efficiency that way. So yeah, it's pretty simple. If a lot of if people start liking it, then I might implement a backend for it, and then maybe make an app so that there's just like a database for it. Right now, it's the data is stored locally with in your Chrome browser, so you can't really like use it on your phone or anything like that. But we'll see. Anyways, that is my Chrome extension.